Hello and welcome! In this how to draw video, we're going to be drawing a super cute hot dog character. Now this is a special video for Eloise and Josh who have requested this video, so hope you enjoy it and have lots of fun. Are you ready to get started?
Yes!
Okay, let's start drawing. Alright, so we've got our marker and we've got our pen. So first thing we're going to do with our hot dog...
Paper?
Yep, we've got a paper. Yep, first thing we're going to draw with our hot dog is the hot dog bun that it sits in. So let's draw that shape there. It's kind of, you think about a hot dog bun, it's quite long. So we're going to draw that. It kind of looks like a bit of a jelly bean, doesn't it? Stretched out jelly bean.
Yeah.
So we draw this sort of shape here like this. There we go, like that. So this is the front or one side of the hot dog bun. Alright, so the next part we're going to draw is we're going to draw some sauce, because with hot dogs I like to have tomato sauce or mustard, whatever you like. So in here behind the bun I'm going to draw some sauce. So what we do is, sauce is quite squiggly, so we're just going to draw some squiggly lines there. Good job, lovely. Alright, so the next part is then to draw the actual hot dog.
Yep.
So, you know, hot dogs are quite long and thin, so we're going to draw that behind here. So we just start just behind the hot dog bun on the front, and we carry on a shape like this. Nice long shape. Like that. Yep. And then at the end, because sometimes at the end of sausages, you know, because normally we join to another sausage, there's a little bit sticking out.
Like a free.
Yeah, so we're going to draw a little, the end of the sausage there like that. Because then it's kind of tied up sometimes, and inside is all the delicious sausage meat. And we'll do the same on the other side. Like that. Great. And then we're going to draw some more sauce again. So again, like what we've done on the front here, I'm just going to do some nice squiggly waves of sauce. It could be mustard or tomato sauce or barbecue sauce, whatever you like to put on
Or
it.
ketchup.
Or ketchup, yep, that's right. And then the last thing, we're going to draw the other half of the hot dog bun. So we've done the front, and we're going to draw a similar shape like this, but it'll be sitting behind here as well. And you only see a little bit because most of it is actually hidden behind the hot dog. So we draw a nice shape like this. Just like that. Yeah, very good. Alright, now you can either stop drawing like this, or if you wanted to, you can put a cute face on it as well. So you can draw whatever face you can imagine. I think what I'm going to do is I'm just going to draw two big eyes here like this. One,
On the other side.
two, yep. And then inside that, what I like to do is put a couple of other circles in there.
And then color in the big circle.
And then colour in the big circle. So it looks like you've got the highlights or the light reflecting on the eyes. And that just makes it look pretty cool.
Really cute.
Yeah.
You mean? Very cute.
Or you can do the eyes closed, or you can do them lots of other ways that you like. You can put eyelashes, just like you've done eyelashes and eyebrows on it. It's up to you. And then I think I'm going to draw the mouth next. I'm just going to draw a big, smiley, happy mouth there. Because he's a hot dog and hot dogs are happy. And one other thing I'll add in there is I'll just add two ovals on the side here. Just some rosy cheeks. Alright, so that's our hot dog, and next step is to colour in. And we're back. So I've finished colouring them in, and I think they look really delicious. Are you happy with your drawing?
Yes.
Great. I'm actually feeling a little bit hungry for hot dogs now. Well, thanks for watching. I hope you had a wonderful time drawing with us, and we'll see you again next time. Bye.
Bye.